Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use Zumiez stash points. To begin, simply join the stash program, which is free and easy. You'll earn 1 point for every dollar you spend on qualifying purchases, both in store and online. Keep an eye out for special opportunities, like completing surveys or engaging with Zumiez content, to earn even more bonus points. Your points will automatically add up with each transaction. Once you've started collecting points, checking your balance is simple. Just log into your Zumiez stash account on their website, and your current point total will be clearly displayed on your dashboard. When you're ready to redeem, you can browse available rewards. These can include anything from unique merchandise to special discounts, and the selection changes often, so check back frequently. The rewards you can get with your Zumiez stash points are pretty exciting. You might find exclusive merchandise, like limited edition apparel or accessories, that you can't get anywhere else. Points can also grant you access to special events or unique experiences. Plus, you can often use your accumulated points for discounts on future purchases, helping you save money on your favorite gear and even get early access to sales. To make the most of your Zumiez stash points, remember that they typically expire after 12 months of account inactivity. So, make sure to stay engaged with the program to keep your hard-earned points. You can often combine your stash rewards with other ongoing promotions for even greater savings. Always review the official stash terms and conditions on the Zumiez website for the most current and detailed information.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.